Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another mobile app tutorial video. Welcome back to the channel with the best mobile app tutorial videos on YouTube, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested in that type of thing. Today I'm going to show you how to sign out on Instagram because apparently this is a very popular topic. Okay, so here we are on the Instagram home screen. Now this is actually a very simple process. What you want to do is come down to the tab bar on the very bottom of the screen and tap your profile icon on the very right side. Now there's a lot of different things you can do with your profile. I have other tutorial videos on my channel if you want to check those out. But to sign out of Instagram, we want to tap the three lines in the top right corner. And then we're going to get this pop-up menu and we want to tap on settings at the very top. It's going to give us another menu, and we want to scroll all the way down to the bottom. You can tap log out. Once you tap log out, if you only have one account, it's going to allow you to just log out of that account. But if you have multiple accounts, you can see I have lots of them here. You can select which ones you want to log out of. Then you can just tap log out on the bottom. Then it'll give you this little pop-up to confirm if you want to log out or cancel. I don't want to log out, so I'm just going to tap cancel. But that's how you would do it. Very easy. So that's it for this one. Definitely check out my channel if you're interested. I'm posting videos daily. I've got Instagram tutorials with millions of views and an Instagram playlist with hundreds of videos that'll help you get started on Instagram and learn how to use it. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.